look right. We in the name. She found a pool hall. No, a bowling alley.
I'm about to look his ass.
And she's about to lose. So I'm gonna keep y'all with it so y'all can see this major loss because I shoot pool. And she's been winning lately. So she bowls and I'm about to win right now. Let's go.
Say hello! It's so cute! Lancet. Hi! All right. All right, so we made it to the bowling alley. You ready to get your butt kicked?
Win.
Yes. Okay. The kids are so friendly. And I'm gonna find a ball. Yeah. See, small. Try that one. Let's see. Ah, too tiny. That might be nice. Okay, we're gonna try this one. Let me show you a pick me up. He knows what time it is.
My brother Storm Buford, he's coming for that ass. Watch it.
What's up, you guys? We are still here in Da Nang. We're on our way to a seafood place that we discovered on Google. They have some great reviews, so we're gonna see if it lives up to its name. And let's go, B.A.E. Okia, that's where we at. It is so pretty. We here early, but because we was hungry, so we needed something to eat. And they have some great reviews on Google. And he's over there being like a little weirdo as usual. It's been a long time since we had some seafood. You ready? It's been a while. He finally convinced me out. He been asking for like 2 weeks now. He's like, can we please have some seafood, girl?
I don't know if you men know, but oysters are aphrodisiac.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Lobster look good. Yeah, that did look fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I take a lobster. And I like crab though, too.
The B.A.E lobster.
Ah.
The B.A.E.
Ah, yeah.
Can we have 2 bottles of water? You want a white tub?
Come on.
Lại, để nó xuống nữa. Có lại lấy số lạnh.
far we ordered some crab, some lobster, and we're gonna see how this tastes and let y'all know the reviews after. Okay. Look how gorgeous that is. And he is enjoying. That looks good. Yep. Hey B.A.E, it's Isha and Drew. We are back to give you a review. So we went to the bowling alley the other day, had a great time.
Your boy won, like I promised. I came back in there, won, took it out.
I was a sore loser. I truly was. But the games was very fun. Open atmosphere, very friendly, family friendly. We paid $299 V&D for 2 games. They had a special going on, buy 3 games, get 1 free, but it was some type of issue with that. Just make sure you're looking at your receipt and getting your games before you start playing. Other than that, we definitely would go back.
Yep.
Now we had, later on that evening, we had found this restaurant called Okia or Okai.
Okia, I think.
Yeah, pronounce in the bottom of the comments if we're doing it wrong, but absolutely amazing. So we started off with the oysters. The oysters, they were done pretty good. We're used to the oysters being cooked a little bit longer, but the flavor, everything was perfect. I would just say go without the cheese.
Yeah, it was more of a cheese sauce than it was like actual cheese.
Yeah. We're kind of used to, like, if you look at our past videos of Food Walk of us having seafood, the cheese was a little bit more crispy on, reminds you of like baked macaroni and cheese type of thing. Then we moved on to the crab. It was like a Cajun crab. Asian crab. Yeah. Spicy sweet over rice. It was good. That was my number 1. Yeah. Like, I'm going back for that.
Yeah, definitely. But order more than 1 crab.
Yes. In my mind, I say 6. You know, 3 apiece, maybe 6 for all for myself. That's how much I loved it. Last but not least, we had the lobster with some clams and what was it?
Clams and mussels.
And mussels. Now that was very flavorful. They had the peanuts on the clams and mussels. Very, very, very flavorful. I would say the clams and the mussels were actually better than the oysters.
Yeah, well, I had got a second order of oysters without the cheese on it, and they were great.
Yeah, you had got them garlic, right?
Yeah, garlic and butter.
Okay, yeah. So the lobster, I would say the same thing as the oysters. The lobster was 10 out of 10, perfect. But the cheese sauce is what threw it off for me. It threw it off. Yeah. So other than that, we would give that restaurant a good 8, you know?
Yeah, I'd give it a solid 7.5, 8.
And it was mostly because our own doing. Adding the cheese, I wouldn't do that. But if they change the cheese, then that'll be a solid 10 out of 10, definitely. But yeah, you guys, we got some more to come. Remember to like and subscribe. It's Isha and Drew and B.A.E. We see you later. Bye.